Hello everyone, I want to share with you today my beautiful spider plant. Okay, take a look at this. It has a stripe of white and green color, right, like this. Looks very nice, beautiful, green and white. Okay, now the reason this plant is called spider plant is because it has offsets like this, okay, that actually shoots off pups like this, okay. That looks like a spider, as you can see here. Alright, so this plant is still new, okay, still young. When it grows bigger, older, it will eventually offset pups like this, right? So that's the reason this is called spider plant. This plant has origin, it's actually from South Africa and West Africa region, alright, so which has been cultivated around the world now. Okay, so look at this. Now, one of the most important thing that you need to know about this plant, right? Okay, by the way, this is also considered air purifying plant. Okay, so it's a good plant that you can keep indoor. All right. This is also a good plant to keep outdoor as long as you don't put them under direct sunlight. Okay, so in order to grow this plant, okay, what you need to do when the plant has offsets like this, right? You just need to cut here. Okay, take out this. Okay, with the actually this is root, as you can see this brown color thing here. There, see this brown color things with this line here. Okay, these are actually root. So all you need to do, just cut it here at the end here like this. Cut at the end here. All right, and then you just put it in plant it in cocoa pit. Water it, plant it in cocoa pit and put under shade, okay, until it grows bigger. Once it's ready, grow a bit bigger, after about 3 weeks, okay, you can actually transfer it to a larger potting mix, all right, in a larger pot. Okay, so that's how you grow this particular plant. Okay, you shouldn't be over watering this plant. This plant does not like over watering, so the potting mix must be a well drainage mix. Okay, and also don't let the soil too dry, because if it is dry, then this plant will not survive as well. So it has to be a moderate watering, okay, but in a well drainage potting mix. Okay, now another thing that you need to know about this plant, okay, this plant is very prone to get okay, you can see here one of these leaf here, it has a burnt tips. Okay, now this is the reason this you might get this is because either is because of the sunlight, direct sunlight, okay, hitting this particular leaf, or it could be because of the water. Okay, the water may contain salts or chlorine, okay, that is actually affecting this plant. As you can see, the other leaves all does not have. I think this is because of the sunlight, because I'm keeping this outdoor, okay, under the shade, but somehow I think the sunlight must have touched this particular leaf. But anyway, that are few of the things that will affect the tip, either direct sunlight, or it could be because of the water. So as long as you don't use chlorine water or tap water, and it is under proper shade, okay, without direct sunlight, then you can ensure that the plant does not have a brown tip like this or burning tips, right? So there are some things that you need to look into. All right, take a look at this again. I show you how the pulp looks like. See closely. Can you see that? This is where you need to cut it. See, okay. So one more thing that I want to share is that, okay, this is also a very suitable plant to place in a hanging basket. Okay, now once this start to produce offsets like this, right, okay, it will be hanging, okay, from here like this. Can you see here, this one? This is small, okay, I just took one out, okay, and then it has hanging like this. So if it is bushy like this with the offsets, okay, this will be a very lovely plant to keep on a hanging basket. So if you like a hanging plant, all right, so this will be a good idea. This is a good plant to keep indoor in a hanging pot as well. Okay, so there you go, very simple and easy to take care plant. This is not a very difficult to take care plant. All right, So don't be so stressed up that you won't be able to take care of this plant. Just follow the tips that I've given you, and I'm very sure that you will do well. All right, so that's about it in this video. So if you guys have any comment, please do leave a comment and share your tips as well. Okay, see you again in another video. Thank you very much. Bye.